The first and very common mistake is not having a proper content marketing plan in place. Far too often, I'm seeing marketers or business owners just writing articles without actually planning what they will be producing. And according to Content Marketing Institute, 63% of businesses don't have documented content strategy, which can cause poor content creation workflow and poor results. This is a mistake that causes businesses to give up on content marketing as they can't see the results that they want. And this is because they have no plan in place. A plan helps you to focus on your targets and goals and start driving better results. For example, you need to have a plan for your company blog to know what keywords you want to target to start ranking for that particular keywords. And this is extremely important as just randomly produced content will not rank high. So what can you do about it? First, you need to sit down and come up with 2 to 3 keywords you want to really rank for. Like for example, for me, it could be content marketing, SEO, and digital marketing. Second, start planning your content marketing only around those keywords. And I really recommend you to start with only 2 to maximum 3 keywords. And I have produced the entire video about how to create content marketing plan for small business. So you can check it out here after this video, so you know how to go about it and fix it. And that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more how to grow your digital marketing effectively. Like this video if you like it, and leave a comment below what was your biggest mistake when you started content marketing. And also, don't forget to check out all my links in the description where I leave some cool tools for content marketing, SEO, and digital marketing. Ciao!